Hi everyone, this is day 24 of one series challenge, which in this video today we'll learn how we can basically we are going to we have covered most of the things right now, but uh, I need to add one more thing in my book management app, that is we should once we are going to create a books in our database, we need to add images as well of the relevant books, and based on that we can basically, when we are going to see how we can, that we will, when we create the front end, then we need the images as well of those books. So we have on behalf of that that particular thing, I need to basically add the images in the today's video. So let me just share my screen and let me show you how we can add the images of relevant books. So we'll go to the Mongo Atlas first. Let me just move this and let me move the Mongo Atlas, MongoDB, and just open this. Well, let's just do one thing. I have already logged in here with the user credential. I'll go to the headers. I'll remove the old token. I'll paste the latest one. And let me just remove this endpoint. And if I hit enter, you'll see that every book has been created so far. But have I added the images? So that is something we are going to see today. So based on that, we're going to create a router, create the. So let me paste my token here as well. So if I create any book, I'll get to know. So let's do one thing. Whatever the books have been created by the team so far here, we are going to add the, let's say, I will create this book, Atomic Habits. So I'll take this this much amount of data from here, and I'll say I'll remove this and paste this. Let me just beautify it. Yeah. And after this, I'll pass author. So we are going to create one author name, let's say should be, we'll pass the author name. So let's go to the Atomic Habits. This is the name of the book, and we are going to see it is written by James Clear. So we'll simply just copy this name and we'll paste it here inside this string. And after this, I need to add one more thing in my schema, that is images. So I'll go to the book schema. I'll say image, or let's say image. It should be type. Say image, and I'll say required required to. That's it. Now I need to add the image in my book schema. So I'll put this. I'll copy this image and do one thing. Copy the image address, and we'll add one field here. Let's say image. We just edit this in my image section. I'll go to the image section and pass this image with URL. After this, I'll pass the comma, and if I hit enter, Let's check what happens. Um, Image type image. Okay. Says image is not defined. Cool. If the image. Now if I hit enter, okay, my server is not started here. It should be taken. The images edit again. So this way we can debug our code. So let's say if I search for this, how to create, how to store image in MongoDB schema. So we'll go to this and we'll try to read the documentation so we can figure out mm, image data format. Okay, this image schema, new mongoose, uh, image data and buffer content type. Okay, may just use this. Let's do one thing. If you don't know something, you can take the help of the AI itself. So we'll go to the say we'll go to the Gemini and we'll debug this. Let's open the AI and we'll ask the AI then how to add image type in our schema. Let's debug this. It says understanding the journey you are trying to store the data within the Mongo schema for book model. So Mongoose doesn't have a built-in image type for storing images directly. Okay, I got the error. Choosing the right approach, the best method for storing the image data depends on various factors like images size, performance, requirements, deployment, environment error, which is ideal for small size, cloud storage, upload the image cloud storage, AWS, Google Cloud, and something. So yeah, okay, cool, got it. It should be also type string. Now, if I try to send it again, getting an error that says duplicate key collection, book management app. Okay, so it says that my book title is already created with this name, Atomic Habits. So I need to delete it from my database first. That's when we can create that's when it will allow me to create the book. So let me just delete it once, then we'll see it. So for that I'll log in my database. Let's go to the database. We'll go to the browser collections and this book management system. I'll go to the book libraries and we'll check the books which is created with this name. Okay, this is it. So I need to delete this one. Now it is deleted. Now let's hit the enter again. Okay. You can see that a book has been created with the image link, and it is also getting blue when I hover on this my cursor. When I hover my cursor, point my cursor upon this link, it says that we can open this link. So if I click, just a second, let me. Okay. If I press the control plus click, you can see that I'm getting the cover page of that book. So this is how you can store the uh, book images as well in your database once you start to create the books. So this is it about today, and uh, tomorrow will we basically cover a last topic of the backend. That is how we can deploy our backend using a website called Renter, or we can use Railways as well over there. So we'll learn that tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.